haka santri kasni baar mata ubanai nopra ka community state forum Hapoh jaka drug reduction elimination and action mission dream ka balak penyat da ka social welfare department Meghalaya haka phang ka bakhot ka build ka bamot bringing unity in local against drugs banya le persya ya ka jingde bajingdi drugs kala pelong ya ka program kerpang hao susutham auditorium Shillong hakaba chief minister jaka Jylla Meghalaya ukurat ki sangma ulalong kumukong san but menteri Sorkar ubak khmi ya ka social welfare ubak polling do ulalong kumusembut kong san kadau balak pelong ya kani ka program hakani kasni kalong berai jik pencai syaki Paidbah ya ka jik penjat ki drugs ya ki minsim bria bat penpat ya ki long yeng long sam hangni hajila jungi bal komno ka Sorkar rengkat bagi pulit ka Jylla ki ale Tyngeh bat treshitam pan kem ya ki to ki badan khti hakani ka kam ki ba ya khai bat de ya thiet ya ki drugs na kemeta ki topat ki bala ngop bat chate haki kinjri jong ka jingdi drugs ka Sorkar klayano pisa kerpang yaki jaka center bakila ban ai jingerap banyak selong yaki tu ki brio ki ba ngop haki drugs banyak tei yaki ba kinyo yang ka jing pelat bat emno ka jing em bathamai ki blaya dan rengkat hakan kasni ki kentup ru ki officer Sorkar Meghalaya ni ki department bapher ki nongkit kam snong ki seng lokime ki pastor ki father pat ki wede ki rukman na katuk kani ki snong ki thau
Be a boss with, and we welcome all of our guests.
Handing over the check is our Honourable Chief Minister with the Minister to Dr. Mitri and the team from Molai Khun.
To cultivate an atmosphere of trust and openness for addressing drug-related issues. We will work towards educating community members to prevent and intervene early in drug cases of drug abuse, and we will prioritize empathy and inclusivity for those dealing with substance use, and leading by example.
So the challenges are tough, but then there's a saying that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going, and that's our motto, our aim as a government. Today, I acknowledge that with the active support of the Chief Minister, we have been able to proactively pursue this dream of ours. And as you can make out from the statistics that were shared, we are doing our very best to put our best foot forward in ensuring that we do eliminate drugs from Meghalaya as a state and as a society.
The different NGOs who are already doing a great job, I must take this opportunity to thank you for your dedication and your commitment and the kind of difference that you've made in the individual lives of our youngsters. We are there to work with you and support you. The different religious organizations who are doing everything in their capacity at different levels, how can we now collaborate and push it further and work together to ensure that we're able to achieve goals? And the government will be there to finance, to back you up, and to support you. I'm not saying that we can give all the money that's required. We need to obviously be practical and prudent in the way we spend our money. But obviously, as I said, when earlier there was no mechanism or a system or a policy, at least today we have some shape to a policy, and now we will just move forward, adapt, as I said, to improve things, and hopefully we'll be able to come out with a much better model as we go along. There will be challenges, there will be problems, there will be difficulties we face, but as mentioned earlier by our Social Welfare Minister and others who spoke before me, that if we are together, if we work together, there is no difficulty or challenge that we will not be able to overcome. It may take time. It may take time. But with the right mind, with the right approach, with good teamwork, we will be able to reach our dream of having a drug-free Meghalaya. And we hope that we'll be able to achieve these goals.